Hey, what's going on, my friends? In this video, I want to share with you the Eagle Cultivator attachment, or more specifically, the Power Plus 9.5 inch cultivator attachment. This is the model CTA 9500. You can see I actually just made this purchase on the 17th. Today is the 21st. Yeah, I just received it in the mail, and we'll be giving you guys a full unboxing view of this bad boy and also show you how you can set it up. Now, some of you might be wondering, what exactly would I use this for? What does it do? Does it work well? I will be creating additional videos showing you how to use this bad boy, how to put it to use, how to get it out there in the garden, in the yard, and make the most of this investment. But for this video, we are just gonna dive into the unboxing, and I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through what this is and some of the details, some of the features that are included. And really quickly, before we jump into it, if you haven't yet, like this video, it does help me. It shows me you guys appreciate and enjoy this type of content, and also subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on our latest video content. So the other important thing that some of you might be questioning or wondering, maybe you're just watching this because you're familiar with Eagle, you know you need to do some yard work, and you're like, what is this contraction? What is this thing? Really quickly, I want to put to your attention what tilling is, because some of you might not be familiar. Maybe you are. Tillage is the agricultural preparation of soil by mechanical agitation of various types, such as digging, stirring, and overturning. You just come down here and you might ask, what is tilling of soil? Tilling involves turning over the first 6 to 10 inches of soil before planting new crops. This practice works surface crop residues, animal manure, and weeds deep into the field, blending it into the soil. It also aerates and warms the soil. So essentially, if you might have a yard that you're like, hey, we want to redo the small little yard we have and get rid of these weeds and get some beautiful grass in here, well, tilling is something that you would consider doing to help with turning over and mixing up the soil. As we can see that it aerates it, so you're allowing oxygen and air, whatnot, to get in there. And when you go about maybe seeding and fertilizing, it's going to make it easier for it to get into it and blend in and get into the mix. And generally, it's just something that you would want to consider doing if maybe you have a garden, a little flower area, and you want to put new flowers in there. You haven't done it in a few years and it's just kind of full of bad soil and junk and stuff. Maybe just the top is. You might have some good quality soil that's mixed beneath that top layer, whatnot. So mixing it up and kind of turning it over and whatnot will help you with making this an easier process. Because if you don't do something like this and you just try to seed it and add fertilizer, it basically would be nearly impossible or much more difficult for that soil, the seeds and whatnot, the fertilizer, to actually get into the soil and, penetrate it. Whereas this is literally turning it over and mixing it up and helping you so that you can get in there and add some nice new fresh plants and flowers and whatnot, or just maybe it's just grass that you want to grow. Again, this will help you with achieving some of those goals. So the Power Plus 9.5 inch cultivator attachment from Eagle is a great addition to the Eagle Power Plus multi-head system. The heavy-duty steel tines are adjustable from 8 to 9.5 inches. And this allows for easy tilling between shrubs, bushes, trees, and flowers. A variable speed trigger allows you to power through the hard ground or dial it back for the softer soil. Eagle attachments are designed specifically for your Eagle Power Plus Powerhead PH 1400 and offer the highest quality and performance. The Eagle Cultivator is exclusively compatible with the Eagle Plus Powerhead. As I mentioned, it's adjustable steel tines from 8 to 9.5 inches. Its solid steel shaft, a large safety guard, and genuine Eagle parts ensure compatibility, quality, and performance. And of course, to just kind of answer some of the basic questions that some of you guys might have, that a lot of people wonder or question, and you're most likely new to Eagle if you have some of these questions, but which battery is compatible with this tool? Of course, all Eagle batteries are compatible with all Eagle tools, including the Cultivator attachment. What's the warranty on this tool? Again, if you are new to Eagle, generally speaking, you're going to be familiar with the 5-year limited warranty purchased from authorized Eagle retailers. And then it says there is a 3-year limited warranty on Eagle Power Plus system battery packs and chargers purchased from authorized Eagle retailers. Please contact me if you have questions about your warranty, so on and so on. And really quickly, I do want to read this last part here. It says the warranty period for routine maintenance parts such as, but not limited to, blades, trimmer heads, chain bars, saw chains, belt, scraper bars, blower nozzles, and all other Eagle accessories is 90 days for residential purpose, 30 days for industrial, professional, or commercial purpose. Now, some of you might be wondering or questioning things like, can you use the extension pole? You cannot use the extension pole. It's only to be used for the hedge trimmer or the pole saw attachment, which I do have the pole saw attachment. I think I do have the extension pole. I don't know for sure. I got to dive into, it's just starting to be spring again. So I'll be jumping back into the yard work, and all of this equipment and whatnot will be top of mind. This piece of equipment is definitely quality. It's definitely steel. It has a little weight to it, not too heavy. You'll feel the quality in it, and you shouldn't be concerned if it will just fall apart on you if it's a little cheap piece of plastic. And really quickly, my friends, as you can see, the pricing of this here on Amazon is listed at $169.99. If we can come back over here to their actual website, you can see they have it listed with Lowe's as well, and I believe it's going to be potentially at Home Depot as well as Acme. I could be mistaken. So as you guys can see, the Eagle Cultivator attachment is listed at about $180, pretty much $230 on Granger. Amazon, this is if you were to get like the pieces or something like that. When I purchased this on Amazon and I found the whole piece together, as you can see here, it's listed at $169.99. So I'll include the Amazon link to this down below in the description area in case you guys want to come and check it out, since after all, you'll save a few bucks if you order it here through Amazon instead of going through some of those other providers. But, to each his own, and I understand you might want to support the businesses in your area and the employees who work there. This isn't a political video. We're not going to get into politics and all this and the other, but I do want to let you know there are options, and some are cheaper than others. And, I got mine in a few days, and I am satisfied with it so far, and I'm excited to put it to use. So if you haven't yet, definitely subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date when I do release that upcoming video, and tons of other unboxing videos. I literally have like over a year or 2 years of different pieces of equipment and tools that I purchased, and I would maybe film me unboxing it, but for some reason I just, I'm such a busy man. I'm running around doing so many different things that I never got around to actually creating videos on them. So I might be potentially bringing some of those videos back into the mix, so you probably want to stick around and check those out as well, and also new tools and equipment and just other tips and tricks that I've learned or continue to learn when it comes to gardening and landscaping work, but also things like moving or painting and other handyman and general labor services. So on that note, I appreciate you guys spending some time with me. I would love to hear your thoughts, your opinion on the Eagle Cultivator attachment. Have you purchased it? Are you thinking about it? Did you go another route? Did you get an actual full-on tiller instead? What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Would love to hear what your thoughts are. And like I said, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys watching. But you guys already know I got to get out there, get in the yard, get a little dirty, work up a sweat. It's like 70 degrees out here in Boston. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. Oh, it's going to be a perfect day to put this bad boy to use. I'm excited, my friends. So like I said, I got to keep it moving. But now the only other question is, how can I help you?